Today we're working on A minor in all its forms. Welcome. Welcome to the studio. My name is Cassie and I'm a professional violist and teaching artist. Today we're continuing our minor series with A. We're going to do natural minor first, harmonic minor, and then melodic minor. I do post timestamps in the comments, or if you want to skip ahead to one of those, look below. And I also post all of the fingerings for my scales, including up to 3 octaves in Patreon. If you'd like to join us there, we would love to have you. Without further ado, we're going to get into A minor. We're going to do 4 beats per bow, and starting with natural minor, every single note is natural, so there's no sharps or flats. I will call out the notes before we get there. And just a heads up that after I play 3rd finger on the D string, I'm shifting to 4th position, which is A, so it should match my open string A. And I'm doing the same exact fingering pattern. So it's 1, high 2, low 3, 4, 1, low 2, 3, 4. So the same exact pattern I did in 1st position, I just shift up to 4th position and I do the same exact thing there. So let's give that one a go. 4 beats per bow. Ready, go. A. Shift up to A, B, C, D, cross over to E, F natural, G, A, back down, G, F natural, E, D, C, B, A, shift to 1st position, Throughout this series, we've talked about a few different practice methods. We're going to put our A drone on it now, and we're going to work on being really in tune with that while doing 2 beats per bow. Same exact scale, same exact place to shift. 1, 2, 2 beats per bow. Now that we're feeling a little bit more comfortable with that, we're going to do 1 beat per bow. And the goal here again is to pre-think that interval. So is it a whole step, fingers not touching? Is it a half step, fingers touching? And remember that finger pattern stays exactly the same. So whatever we did in 1st position, just transfer that up to 4th position. One extra note, when I'm crossing back down from the A string, so I would be on the note E because I'm in 4th position. When I cross from that E over to my D, use your elbow to swing towards your belly button to help you get that in tune. Oftentimes it's flat if I don't do that. So I gotta really swing my elbow over to help facilitate that cross. So same idea, we're gonna do 1 beat per bow, same exact scale. 1, 2, ready, go. on to our next form of minor, which is harmonic minor. This is the one that has that augmented second, and it's always between the 6th and 7th scale degree. So in this case, we're going to be doing the same exact fingering pattern on the G string. So it's 1, 2, 3, open, 1, low 2. Then I'm going to use a low 4th finger for that G sharp before I shift up to 4th position and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, low 2, and then I have to use a super duper high 3 here because I don't want to scooch my 4th finger. So just a reminder, in first position, D string is low 2, low 4, shift. When I get over to the A string, it's low 2, super duper high 3. We want to get that augmented second really, really wide. So let's try that, and I'm only going to call out the notes that are different from natural minor this time. 4 beats per bow. Nice and slow to work on our intonation. Ready? Go. Touching 4. Really high 3 again. Low 2. Shift down to low 4. Low 2. Let's do that same scale, 2 beats per bow. We'll put our drone back on to A. And I'm actually going to drone A and E, which is our 5th. So that's something additional that can help you tune. So same scale, 2 beats. Ready? Go. Going to be 1 beat per bow. Really pre-think those intervals between the F natural and the G sharp. It should feel wide, so your low 2 is going to be low and your low 4 is going to be a little bit on the high side, so we can really feel that augmentedness between those 2 notes. 1, 2, ready, go. Form of minor, which is melodic minor. This is the one that has 2 forms. So on the way up, I'm going to do pretty much the same thing as A major, but with my 3rd note of the scale being lowered. So it's A, B, C natural, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, and then I shift and same exact thing. A, B, C natural, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. On the way back down, it's just natural minor. So that F sharp and the G sharp that we had raised on the way up, we're going to lower to G natural and F natural on the way back down. So same process. We're going to do 4 beats per bow first for intonation. Ready? Go. natural, F natural, shift G natural, try that with our drone, 2 beats per bow, and I'm just going to drone A this time. 1, 2, ready, go. F sharp, G sharp. Shift. F sharp, G sharp. G natural, F natural. Shift. And last time, 1 beat per bow. Pre-think your intervals. Remember, on the way up, we have those raised 6 and 7 scale degrees. On the way down, it's lowered, so natural minor. 1, 2, 1 beat per bow, go. Our A minor journey. If somebody asks you to play a minor scale, they're more than likely asking you to do the melodic minor, at least in the string world, and that's been my experience. If there's any questions or issues that came up for you as you were practicing through this, please post that in the comments below. I really enjoy trying to help from afar. And until next time, happy practicing.